adran Dylunio Thechnoleg. Heddiw rydyn ni'n mynd i rannu chydig o wybodaeth am y cwrs TGAU Dylunio Cynnyrch. Welcome to the Design Technology Department. Today we're going to share some information about the GCSE course Product Design.
Yn blwyddyn 10, mi fyddwn ni'n canolbwyntio ar yr elfen theori drwy gwblhau prosiectau bachfyrion hefo elfen ymarferol. Mi fyddwn ni'n edrych ar destunau megis cynnaldwyedd, dylunwyr gwahanol, deunyddiau. In Year 10, we'll be concentrating on the theory aspect of the course, where we'll be completing small projects with practical elements. We'll be looking at topics such as materials, energy, sustainability and design.
Ym mlwyddyn 11, byddem yn canolbwyntio ar A, sef y prif brosiect dylunio a gwneud cynnyrch. Bydd cyfach yn gosod rhediad o gyd-destynau gwahanol a byddwch chi'n cadewis un ohonynt. In Year 11, we'll be concentrating on the NEA, which is a major project. You'll be designing and making a product. The GCSE will set a range of different contexts for you and you'll be able to choose one of them.
Solving real-life problems.
Yn ogystal â'r A a fe gennych arholiad 2 awr sy'n asesu eich gwybodaeth o'r theori dros gyfnod y cwrs. As well as the NEA, you will have a 2-hour written exam which will assess all the theory work covered in 2 years.
Y rheswm dewisais i y cwrs TGAU Dylunio Thechnoleg oedd oherwydd fy mod yn gwybod y fod yn gyfuniad da o waith ymarferol ac ysgrifenedig. Rydw i'n gwybod i fod yn mynd i agor llawer o ddrysau ar gyfer yn hun yn y dyfodol ac i fod yn mynd i fod yn help mawr ar gyfer tasgau dydd i ddydd.
I'm Miller and I'm in Year 11. The DT course consists of theory and coursework. The theory part of the course, you'll be studying and learning about resistant materials such as wood, metal and plastic. You'll also be looking into designers and also looking into manufacturing production plants, which will help you in the coursework. You learn about technology, materials and designing, which you can then use to design your own product and develop your final idea. Coursework is the most interesting part of the tech course. Here you'll be designing and making your final product. This will include sketchbook work, practical skills, and also presenting your ideas. So far, I have really enjoyed the Design and Technology course. The course covers a wide range of skills and topics. Many of these skills are transferable, which means you can use them in different subjects, which will help boost your grades. Some of the main skills I have learnt so far is research, written communication, and problem solving, and of course, creativity. Design technology is definitely a subject you should consider taking for your GCSEs.
I chose Designing Technology.
Dwi dewis Dylunio Thechnoleg.
I chose Design and Technology.
I chose Design and Technology.
Dylunio Thechnoleg bod un o'r mhlynciau TGAU. Rydw i mwynhau pob agwedd o'r cwrs. Credu bod y pwnc ei hun yn helpu datblygu sgiliau ac yn gwneud chi fel tu allan i'r bocs.
I chose Design and Technology.
Dwi wedi dewis Dylunio Thechnoleg.